What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to be discussing how to buy cryptocurrency through PayPal. But first, we're going to go through the PayPal website on what they have to offer on cryptocurrency in general, and what they can offer you through their platform to begin buying crypto, selling crypto, and maybe you can learn something about the crypto market at the same time. Okay, so let's jump straight into it and see what we can find out. Okay, so far we're gonna be on the landing page of the PayPal's cryptocurrency website. Okay, it says, are you curious about crypto? Get confident with the app. Okay, use the app to buy, transfer, and sell cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and the new PayPal stablecoin. So it seems like they have their own coin. That's what it seems like, PYUSD. You can discover crypto, get the app, and it seems like they make it really easy. So, we're going to keep scrolling down and see what they have to offer. It says what you should know about crypto with PayPal. So we're going to go through all these categories and read them together. Buy cryptocurrency simply in the app. Start with as little as $1 with the funds already available in your PayPal balance. So it seems like once you already put money in there, it's available automatically, okay? Which I find pretty cool, because some other exchanges and other websites, they need to allow up to 1 to 3 business days for your money to be in there. But it seems as once you put money in the PayPal website or on the PayPal account, it's there automatically, fast and easy, okay? Unauthorized transfer reimbursement. What is that about? PayPal works to prevent unauthorized transfers of cryptocurrency, and you may be eligible for reimbursement up to an equivalent of $50,000 in the event of an unauthorized transfer. So if money gets moved without your permission, basically, and transferred out, your money's protected up to $50,000. Now, I haven't done much research to see if other companies do this, but I know now that PayPal offers this service to those that are interested in signing up with PayPal to specifically buy and sell cryptocurrency. So that's a great option to have. I honestly like that option, myself, because I want my money protected. So in the event of an unauthorized transfer, just know that you're secured and PayPal will back you with their terms and conditions here. Learn at your own pace. Read our latest articles and know the basics about crypto directly from the app. So you don't even need to go far. Once you're on the app and you're scrolling through, you can find out some articles, it says. You can even learn the basics about cryptocurrency. And I think that's a great way to start off. Just because a lot of people that dive into crypto, they want everything all at once. But if you can just feed yourself the basics first and understand what crypto is, and it's not just about buying and selling different coins, then I think, they should be prepared to show their audience, latest articles and just the basics about how to go about that, about what we just mentioned. So I think that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, right? All your crypto in one place. Transfer your crypto into your PayPal balance account or send some to a friend in just a few steps. So it seems like you can even transfer different cryptos to your family and friends through the app, which is cool. Just so you can, someone asks for some, or if you just want to send some as a gift or whatnot, then you can do that straight through the app and not necessarily just over the computer, which is pretty cool. Phones have came a long way, apps have came a long way, and I think we use our phones more than our computers nowadays, right? So we can feel good that it says that it's just in a few steps. So it's not just right away, but you're gonna have to go through certain steps for you to send that crypto to someone, which makes it feel safe, because you know that they're wanting to make sure that it's you sending the money out to a different account. So let's continue down on this front page here. It says introducing the PayPal stablecoin PYUSD. It says rolling out now. PayPal USD is backed by secure and highly liquid assets. Buy, sell, hold, and transfer it in our app and on our site. or use the convert feature to buy the cryptos we support. Fees apply. So it seems like you can buy, sell, and hold and transfer straight through the app and on their website. Very easy. You can even use the convert feature to buy the cryptos that they support. So that's pretty cool. You can convert other crypto to their crypto if you'd like, and hold some of their cryptos. And I think, it's a smart idea that PayPal created that. They created their own stablecoin, and for those that are signed up with PayPal, or those that are looking to sign up with PayPal, they can own some of the PayPal stablecoin as well, and potentially earn some good money along the way with their coin. So, but do your own research on that. But if you'd like me to make a full video regarding the PayPal stablecoin, I can definitely do that. Just leave a comment below and we can get straight to that. You can send and receive, transfer, make your crypto move. Okay, cool. How to get started with cryptocurrency, right? So all of this is pretty cool. They even have frequently asked questions, right? As in the volatility and the risk. What exactly is cryptocurrency? What's the nature of the market? Are crypto transactions taxable? So you can find all of this on the actual PayPal website crypto tab. Okay, so now we're gonna actually look into how to buy crypto step by step, right, from the PayPal website. Here's how to buy cryptocurrency with PayPal on the web, which means on your desktop, Safari, or Mozilla, whatever app, whatever web you use, right? Web browser. So it says click on the crypto promotional tile more right here on your PayPal account dashboard, right? It even has a little icon here for if you're already on your Safari or whatever web browser that you use. It should be highlighted for you to click and just easily take you to your dashboard, okay? From the crypto landing page, select the cryptocurrency you would like to buy. So I'm guessing it has a list of cryptocurrencies that you'd like to buy from the landing page that it sends you on. Okay, very easy so far. Click buy. You may have to confirm your account, which is for protection and to make sure that it's you buying the cryptocurrency. Enter the amount you would like to buy. Pretty simple. Choose a payment method and then select buy. So far for the web browser version, it seems pretty easy to do. You just need to follow these steps here, okay? And I'll leave a link in the description of this page so that you can actually go through these steps through the web browser, if you'd like, and through the app, which we're gonna go over now. To buy crypto on the app, tap the crypto icon, and it even has, again, the link for you to click on to send you directly to the page. Right? Select one of the cryptocurrencies, then tap buy. Again, you may have to confirm some info. I know some people get annoyed about confirming everything, but it's just for your own safety. There shouldn't be any issues about that. Read the terms and conditions, then tap agree and continue, right? So far, so easy, right? Enter the amount you want to buy and tap next, okay? Choose a payment method, then tap buy now. Payment method as in credit card, debit card, maybe wire transfer. It all depends on what PayPal has to offer for you to buy or sell cryptocurrency, okay? So you just have to go through that yourself and see what kind of payment methods they offer you to actually go through these steps that we've talked about today. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful on learning how to buy and sell crypto. I even gave you a small little background of what PayPal has to offer besides buy and sell. They even have their own coin, and hopefully it was useful by this article and the ones we went over. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe for more content like this, more crypto content. And I really appreciate all of you being here and learning with me on the crypto world, and because we know it's going to be a part of our future coming soon. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.